Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on updating a view in SQL. In our last video, we created a view named student info. Now, what if we want to modify that view? That's where the alter view statement comes in. Let's get started. The alter view statement is used to modify an existing view. The syntax is similar to like create view, but replaces existing definition. Alter view name as select columns, column 1, column 2 and so on from table name where condition. Here alter view name modifies the existing view, and select column 1, column 2 and so on column n defines new columns for the view. From table specifies the source table, where condition which is optional, which filters the data if needed. In the last video, we created the view like create view student info as first name, last name and address from the student. Now let's say we also want to include age column. We want to include age column in the view. We can update it using alter view. So let's see. I'm going to open SQL editor. I'll create the view, right? So alter view name is student underscore info. The view which is already created as select first name, last name, address. Previously we have only name and address. Now I'm going to add age also from students. Yes, this updates the student info view by adding age column. So now let's see, check the updated view. Select start from student info. Yeah, previously the student info view having first name, last name and address. Now we have altered with age column also. So when to use alter view? When you need to add or remove the columns, when you want to update filtering conditions, when you change business requirements and need a new data format. That's how you can modify a view in SQL using alter view. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share and subscribe for more SQL lessons. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.